Today we'll be going through Cambridge IGCSE Mathematics Paper 1 Core 058013 May-June 2020. Question number 1. Write 7,021 in figures. So 607,000. So 0 will be here, 7,000 and 21, so 0 again and 21. This will be the number. Then question number 2, on the grid draw a shape that is congruent to shape A. So congruent to shape A mean it should be of same shape, it can be of different size. So what we can do, we can draw same shape, like for example this will be 1, 2, 3 units, so we can start from here and we can double this size 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1 point this one, second point this one, and this is 2, so 1, 2, 3, 4. So this one and this is 2, so 1, 2, 3, 4 this point, and from here we can take 1, 2 points. So this shape, after joining the shape which we will get, that will be congruent to that one. So this one, and by joining these points we can get the congruent shape like this. So if you check these two shapes, they are similar, like they are having same shape but just enlarged one. You can draw enlarged one or reduced one. So this is basically same shape but enlarged one. So this is done. Then question number 3, Eltgard tries to calculate this. She types into the calculator this one and explain why this does not give her the correct answer, because see, this one will be division between 18 and 9 only, right? And there should be a bracket between this and this, so that these operations should be done first and then should be the division. So we can write here that there should be a bracket for numerator and denominator. So basically then work out the correct answer to this. So correct answer, we can write the fraction 68 plus 18 divided by 9 minus 5, and this will be equal to 21.5. so 21.5 will be this answer. A train from Woodtown to Northley takes 6 hours and 25 minutes. The train leaves Woodtown at this one. Work out the time the train arrives. So we have to basically leaves this one. So from 1924, so 19 hours and 46 minutes, and plus we have to add 6 hours and 25 minutes, and this will be equal to 26 hours and 11 minutes. So we'll subtract 24 because 24 hours will be one in the middle, so 2 hours and 11 minutes will be our answer. 2 hours and 11 minutes. We can write like this. Basically, for explanation of this one, if we are starting from 1946, we will reach to 24, and then 24 onward, next we will be reaching to the time. So we will have to calculate this one, which is 2 hours and 11 minutes will be the time at which they will reach at this location, that is required. So that time will be after at 24 hours it will be 0 0. Then it will again start from 0 0 onward. Hopefully you understood this. Question number 5. Write on the number that is 7 more than this. So we just add minus 38 plus 7 will be equal to minus 31. So minus 31 will be the answer. Directed numbers basically. Question number 6. Simplify. Will be adding the like terms. So 5w minus 7w will be minus 2w, and this will be 8 plus 3 will be 11. So plus 11h, or we can write this as 11h minus 2w. Then question number 7. Write down the mathematical name of the quadrilateral that has rotational symmetry of order 1. Rotational symmetry of order 1. This is one condition, and only one line of symmetry. So basically we are having a shape which is known as kite, like this one. This is having line of symmetry. This is the line of symmetry for kite, and this is having only one. If you rotate this one 360, you will get only one location where you get this shape. There is no other rotational symmetry. So we can write here kite as an answer. Reflect the shape in line L. So reflection, we will be taking these points 1 2 3 4 5 points. So from the line, this point will remain as it is, and from this one, this is 1 and 2 units, so 1 and 2 units, so this will be the point, and then further 2 units, so 1 2 units, this will be the point. Then this one will be 1 2 3 4 5 units, so from here 1 2 3 4 and 5 units. Then this is 1 unit, so this will be. So we have reflected all the points. Now we have to draw the lines basically. This will be joined with this, so this one, and then we have to join these 2 points, which is this one, and then we have to join this point with this point, and then lastly we have to basically join these 2 points, and the final thing is joining this with this. If you can see, this is basically mirror. And another way is basically by using tracing paper also. If we use tracing paper, then also we can basically reflect this easily. Tracing paper is also, you know, allowed in IGCSE exam, and tracing paper is also easier method for reflection, rotation, and other types of transformation. Like for example, if we use this tracing paper, the other method which I just wanted to show you, this is basically the line of symmetry, and this one is basically the shape which we want to reflect. And if you are wanting to use tracing paper, so this is the point which we are having. Now we will invert this tracing paper like this, and we will put on it, and this will be exactly the same shape, and we can mark these points, and after marking this we can draw this shape. This is by reflection by tracing paper. So hopefully you understood this. Both method I have explained you. Whatever you like, you can adopt. Question number 8. These are angles. Basically the drawing is not to scale. In the diagram, AB is parallel to AC. This is AB, this is CD, sorry. AB is parallel to CD, and find the value of X. So this angle is required. So we can see this angle is 72, so this angle will also be 72. So we can write here 72, and they are asking for a reason also, and corresponding angles, because these two are corresponding angles. and then work out the value of y. Y is this one, so all angles are given except y, so we can write here 360 degree minus sum of all these angles, so 88 plus 72 plus 135, and this one we can simplify. This will be 360 minus, this will be 88 plus 72 plus 135, and this will be 65. So we can write here 65 degrees, and the reason is that angle at a point is sum of angles at a point is 360 degrees. Question number 9. From this list of numbers, write down a multiple of 8. So 32 is there, so multiple of 8 is basically 32. There may be other numbers, so I'm just getting first one. The square number. A square number is 36, also a square number. And a prime number, 37 is a prime number. You can check others, but they are asking for only one. So a square number and a prime number. Question number 10. A circular garden has diameter of this one. This is diameter. And draw the garden accurately. Accurate drawing is required. Using a scale of 1 centimeter is equal to 1.5 meters. So 11.4 will be divided by 1.5, and this will be basically converting this 11.4 and divided by 1.5 will be equal to 7.6. So this will be 7.6 centimeters. So we have to draw a 7.6 centimeter circle. This will be basically diameter will be 7. This will be diameter and radius will be equal to 7.6 by 2. So divided by 2 will be equal to 3.8. So 3.8 centimeter radius is required. So what we can do, we can go to 3.8 and take the exact measurement, and we can just put over here and draw a circle like this. So this is done, and then on a map the distance between, okay, so this is basically just you have to draw this circle, nothing else is required for this. B part, on a map the distance between two towns is 9.6 and the scale is this one, 1:50,000. Work out the actual distance between the two towns in kilometers. So 9.6 will be basically multiplied by 5,000,000, this many centimeters. So centimeters we have to convert into kilometers. So first we'll divide by 100. Now this is meters, but we require kilometers, so we'll further divide by 1000. Now this will be kilometers, and to simplify this we can take the fraction 9.6 multiplied by 50,000, so divided by 100 multiplied by 1000, and this will be equal to 4.8 kilometers. So answer will be 4.8 kilometers. Hopefully you understood. Basically kilometer is already there, so we can write here 4.8 kilometers. Question number 11. This question is a triangle which is not to scale. Triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. ABC is 32. This angle AB is equal to AC. Find angle BAC. So BAC is required. We know these two sides are equal, their opposite angles will be equal. So this is 32, this will also be 32. Now this will be 180 minus 180 minus 32 plus 32 will be 64 degrees, and this calculation we can right here 180 minus 64 will be equal to 116 degrees. So 116 degrees, and this will be 116 degrees. We have shown calculation, otherwise you can write here 180 minus 64 is equal to 116 degrees, and this is equal to angle BAC. Now question number 12, a bag contains yellow balls, pink balls and green balls only, and the ratio between them is provided over here. There are 42 yellow balls in the bag. So yellow is the first one, so 7 is switching to 42, so we'll be multiplying this by 6 to get 42, so we'll multiply 3 also by 6, so it will be 18, and 5 by 6 will be 30. So this will be the ratio conversion. By multiplying by 6, work out the total number of balls, and we will be adding these, and sum of this one will be equal to 42 plus 18 plus 30, and this will be resulting to 90. So total balls will be 90. Question number 13. On any day, the probability that Marcus will get a seat on the school bus is 0.93. Write down the probability he will not get seat. So 1 minus 0.93, because probability maximum is 1. So 1 minus 0.93 minus sign, minus over here 93. So this will be equal to 0.07. So 0.07 will be our answer to this part. Then 13b, there are 200 school days in the year. Work out the expected number of days in a year that Marcus will not get a seat. Not getting seat is this one, so 0.07 multiplied by this 200 will be equal to 0.07 multiplied by 200. This will be resulting to 14. So this will be 14 days answer. Now question number 14 is simplification. Indices will be multiplying when bases are same and they are being multiplied. Their powers will be added. So p raised to power 6, p raised to power 6. And this one, when they are being divided, bases are same, they are being divided, so this will be subtracted. So 15 minus 5, this is equal to m raised to the power 10. So m raised to the power 10 will be the answer. Then this is multiplication, so k raised to power 3 multiply 5, which is equal to k raised to power 15. So k raised to power 15 will be our answer. Now question number 15, describe fully the single transformation that maps shape A onto shape B. So for this one we can use the tracing paper and we will be drawing shape A onto shape B. This is shape A, so we can draw this shape A like this one, and this will be drawn. Rough tracing basically is required, so this is done, and this is our coordinate axis. So coordinate axis is also drawn, and now we'll have to check for the rotation. So if we place pencil over here and rotate, and we will see this will be fitting on it, exactly fitting on it. So this will be rotation from here. This will be 90 degree clockwise about the origin. This is the origin where I'm putting pencil. So hopefully you understood this. From here it is turning up to this one is 90 degree clockwise and about the origin. So we can write here, this is rotation clockwise 90 degrees and about origin, which is 0, 0. So this is done. Question number 16, we have to simplify the fraction without using calculator. So this will be 3 4s are 12, 12 plus 1 will be 13 by 4, and minus this will be 3 to the 6, 6 plus 2 will be 8, 8 by 3. Now we will multiply this by 3 and this by 4. So this will be 39 over 12 minus this will be 32 over 12, and this will be equal to 7 over 12, and 7 over 12 will be our final answer to this question. Now question number 17, a chef buys some cheese from France. 200 grams of cheese costs this much euros. The exchange rate is this one. Work out the maximum mass of the cheese the chef can buy with $150. So $150 we have to convert into euros, and euro is a heavier currency. So from lighter to heavier currency we will be getting lesser amount. So we'll have to multiply this with 0.84. Then only we'll be getting lesser amount. Otherwise, if we divide, we'll be getting bigger amount. So multiply by 0.84, and this will be equal to 126. So this will be basically euros. So we can show euros like this one. So this will be 126 euros. So it is 200 grams for this one. So 100 gram will be 3.45 divided by 2 will be equal to 100 grams. Or we can calculate the per gram price. Instead of multiplying it, dividing it by 2, we can divide it by 200. So per gram price will be this much. So this will be basically 3.45. Basically we can write it as 200 divided by how many grams for 1 euro. Basically we will be checking. So how many grams mean 200 grams are for 3.45 euros, and this will be equal to 200 divided by 3.45, and this will be equal to this much, 57.97 grams per euro, and this will be per euro price. So per euro this much grams we will be getting, and this will be multiplied by 57.971 multiplied by 126, and this answer will be multiplied by 126, and we will get answer 7,300. This will be grams, 7,304 grams, and this one is in grams, and we need answer in kilograms. So this will be divided by 1000, and we will get 7.3 kilogram, and this will be 7.3 kg. This will be our final answer to this question. Then comes question number 18. Sonia wants to invest this much amount for 6 years, and rate is this one. Bank A is providing this rate, and Bank B is increases this much by this percent at the end of 6 years, and this is compound interest for Bank A, and this is just increment by 20% at the end of 6 years. Which bank will give Sonia the most money at the end of 6 years, and by how much? So Bank A we can calculate first. For Bank A, it will be amount will be equal to principal amount into 1 plus rate over 100 in raised to the power t, and this is compound interest formula. So principal amount is 5,000 into 1 plus 3.5 divided by 100 raised to the power 6, and we can calculate this amount, and this will be 5,000 into 1 plus 3.5 over 100, and raised to the power will be 6, and this will be equal to 6146.277. This will be the amount. Now for bank B we can check, it will be giving 22%. So directly we can calculate 122% of 5000, and we will be getting this one. So 122% of 5000 will be equal to 6100. So bank A will be basically providing more, and we can subtract 6146 minus 6100, and this will be equal to 46. So 46.28 you can write like 46. This is 46.28 and minus this one. So this will be the amount. We can write bank A will give 46.28 more money. Hopefully you understood. I can erase this for any confusion. Basically this is the thing which we can write here, approximately 6146.28, and we can write here 6146.28 and minus this. So we will be getting this answer. Now question number 19, to round by rounding each number correct to one significant figure, estimate the value. So 71 will be rounded to 70, and this will be rounded to 30, and this will be rounded to 5 raised by 2. So this will be we can calculate this. This will be basically 70 into 30 divided by 5 raised to the power 2, and this will be equal to 84. So answer will be 84 over here. And here comes question number 20. Dash thinks of two numbers. The sum of his two numbers is minus 6, and the difference between his two numbers is this one. So we can suppose that let x and y are two numbers. So x, difference of numbers, sum of the two numbers is minus x. So x plus y is equal to minus 6, and the difference is x minus y is equal to 62. Now we can add them. So we can write here adding, and this will be gone. So 2x is equal to basically 62 minus 6. So 62 minus 6 will be equal to 56. So this is equal to 56. So x will be equal to 56 divided by 2 will be equal to 28. So we can write here 28. So first number, one number is 28. The second number we can check from here. So x plus, we can replace this x value in any of these two equations. So x plus y is equal to minus 6. So 28 plus y is equal to minus 6. Y is equal to minus 6 minus 28, which is equal to minus 34. You can check with the calculator. So minus 34 will be our answer. Then here comes question number 21. A solid cylinder has radius of 3 centimeter and height of 4.5. Find the total surface area of the solid cylinder. A solid cylinder will be basically having a solid cylinder. We can quickly draw, like for example this one will be a solid cylinder like this. So it will be having a base also like this one. So top and bottom will be to pi r square. This will be pi r squared, and this length will be like this perimeter will be equal to 2 pi r, and this length is for example 2 pi r into height they have provided is basically 4.5 is basically this height. So we can add this one. Total surface area will be equal to 2 into pi r squared, plus this will be 2 pi r into 4.5, and we'll put brackets over here. So 2 into pi, and r square mean radius square, cylinder of radius 3, so 3 square will be 9, so we can write here 3 squared, plus this will be 2 pi into 3 and into 4.5, and this one will be 9 into 2 will be 18 pi, plus this will be 2 into 3 will be 6, so 6 into 4.5 will be equal to 27, so this will be 27 pi, and we can add these two numbers. So 18 pi plus 27 pi will be resulting to 45 pi. So 45 pi we can write in decimal value 141.37. So 141.37 will be approximately equal to 141. So 141 will be answer. We are done with the paper. So hopefully you understood each and everything. And don't forget to subscribe Maths TV. And if you like the video, don't forget to press bell icon also, so that you will be getting notification of incoming videos. Recommend this channel to your friends and class fellows so that they can also benefit from these type of videos. Also introduce this channel to your respected teachers. Thank you very much for watching. Take care. Bye.